takes 4 months for a liver transplant to get. That's the average for waiting. And I think it's ridiculous.
Because you never know when they're going to call. So it could be 3 in the morning and they could be like, hey, we have some organs for you.
They told me on one hand, your life will be different.
Because they're like, hey, there's a really giant possibility that this doesn't end well.
I don't know how the surgery's gonna be, but I just still hope it doesn't go bad. And
even though I never showed it, I was a bit hesitant to have the kidney transplant.
I was actually crying because I didn't want it to happen, and talking to my mom.
The team here, they knew what they were doing, so if I ever had any questions, they could answer them.
I wasn't scared. I just went, go with it.